An adult elephant must find up to 200 kilos of food each and every day if it's not to starve. So for these last survivors, life is an endless trek. The herd is guided by a single old female, the matriarch. She is leading her family to a special place where food should be available even in a drought. Now she's teaching her own calf how to get there. The elephants are not alone in their search for food. Desert lions. They are just as rare as the elephants. So the lions let them pass. Distant trees are a sign of water.